Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Welcome to Junior KG. I am Amita. Okay, tell me children, what did you learn in previous session of GA? Yes, you learned about my school. Today we will learn about my classroom in general awareness. But before that, let us revise my school. My school. This is our school building. This is a school bus. Bench. This is our playground. Here some children are playing hopscotch, sandpit, ball. They are also enjoying some rides like seesaw, swing, merry-go-round and slide. अच्छा बच्चों, अब स्कूल के बाद हम क्या देखेंगे? Our classroom. Here is our classroom. Let's take a look. This is a blackboard. It is a writing surface where teacher writes or draws. This is a duster. It is used for cleaning the blackboard. These are chalks. Chalk is used to write or draw on the blackboard. This is a chart. They are used for easy understanding of various topics like fruits, vegetables, body parts, etc. This is a chair. Here is where you sit and study in the classroom. This is a globe. It is a spherical model of Earth. Who teach you in the classroom? Yes, it is a teacher. These are crayons. They are used for coloring. Toys, blocks and mat. While playing with toys and blocks, you sit on the mat. Now, I will give you one worksheet related to my classroom. Here is the worksheet. Take the pictures of the things that are seen in a classroom. This is a crayon box. It is in our classroom, so we will tick in the box. This is a telephone. It is not in our classroom, so we will not tick in the box. This is a chair. It is in our classroom, so we will tick in the box. Here is a seesaw. It is not in our class, so we will not tick in the box. Now here are some books. They are in our classroom, so we will tick in the box. This is a blackboard. It is in our classroom, so we will tick in the box. Now here are some blocks. They are in our class, so we will tick in the box. Now this is a duster. It is in our classroom. Yes, so we will tick in the box. अच्छा बच्चों, मज़ा आया आपको क्लासरूम देख के? ओके, तो कल हम फिर मिलेंगे। टेक केयर, स्टे एट होम एंड स्टे सेफ। बाय।